Hello, welcome to Offbeat Ceylon. So, let's move. Offbeat Ceylon is an innovative travel application designed to help users to discover unique and off-the-beaten-path destinations in Sri Lanka. It allows users to search for various travel spots, viewing detailed information, and explore travel options by districts. Users can also add new travel locations along with YouTube videos showcasing these places. Additionally, Offbeat Ceylon offers trip planning features where users can select and organize destinations to create their ideal itinerary, making it easier to explore Sri Lankan hidden gems. These are the sign-in pages. It is designed to let the new users to create a personalized account for exploring and planning their dream trips across Sri Lanka. Users are required to provide their username, email, password, confirm their password and select their own. And the form uses the jQuery capture these inputs and validate the both passwords match and then send the data to backend API using an AJAX post request. Additionally, there's optional functionality to support Google sign-up pop-up models and external authentication links, making the process even more convenient. This is Forget Password page that helps users to reset their password step by step. First step, the user enters their email and if it is valid, an OTP is sent to the email. Then the user enters the OTP to verify their identity. If the OTP is correct, the user can set the new password. The page has a countdown timer to show when the users can resend the OTP if needed. It uses JavaScript to manage steps, validation inputs, handle server requests, and show messages. After we sign in, we land to the home page. So, it helps people easily explore the plan their travels around in Sri Lanka. It has a clean and interactive layout with navigation bar that links to sections like Home, About, Services, Gallery, Feedback, Contact and Register. There's a drop-down where users can pick a district to view places from that area. There's also a search bar if someone wants to quickly find location. Script listen for changes in the district sections drop-down. Upon selecting a district, it sends an AJAX GET request to a backend API to receive a list of places in that district. Using stored token for authentication, the response is used to build and display a series of styles cards for each places, including an image, description, and YouTube video, Google Map with location markers, and a button to get directions. Each map is initialized using Google Map API. Additionally, the code includes a utility functions to extract a YouTube video ID from URL. Okay, let's add the places. This page manages an interactive map-based form for adding, updating, searching, and deleting places using Google Map and jQuery. When the page is loaded, it initializes a map centered on Sri Lanka and allows users to select a location by clicking on it. Display latitude and longitude. Users can also search locations via input. Auto positioning the map with geocoding A form is providing to submit places details, name, category, description, district, status, and images and video URL, which are sent via AJAX to the backend API with authentication. Saved locations persist in local storage, and additionally, users can search for a place by name to load its details, update it, or delete it. I have created a contact form on the website that allows users to send messages directly to my email. The form includes fields for the user's name, email, and message, and it uses email.js to handle the submission. When someone fills out the form and click the send message button, the data gets sent to my email using email.js service and template that I configured. I included some basic validation for the form fields, ensuring that users can't submission without filling in the required information. I also added the success and error messages that will notify the user if their messages is sent successfully or if something went wrong. This webpage offers several valuable features for us enhance our user experience and provide meaningful information about mountain in Sri Lanka. One of the key features in the dynamic search functionality allows users to quickly filter and find the specific mountain destinations by name. Each mountain entry is presented with rich content, including a descriptive paragraph, descriptive information, currently visiting status, and related YouTube video for visual storyline, and interactive Google Map for species locations tracking. These features not only information users but also inspire them to explore nature. Okay, let's plan your trip. This features that uses Google Maps to help users explore places within a selected district and get diving directions. When the page loads, it initializes a Google Map centered on the Sri Lanka and tries to detect the user's current location using the browser's geolocation. If successful, it added a blue marker for the user position. The user can select a district from the drop-down, which triggers an AJAX request to fetch places in that district from backend API. Each place is displayed as a card with its name, images, description, and a checkbox to select if for the trip. Selected places are stored in an array and corresponding markers and added to the map. When the users click the Get Direction, the app builds a route from the current location to the final selected destinations, including all the other selected places as waypoints. The route is then we are drawn finally. Okay, let's move to the admin dashboard. Dashboard with the sidebar navigation menu and content area for displaying various statistics and features. Slide bar include links to different sections such as dashboard, credentials, travel categories, add places, directions, and website login. The content section include search bar for the searching destinations buttons to toggle between grid and list views, and a section displaying a statistic like total places, categories, and additionally, the page contains an interactive map that can be embedded using leaflet.js. The page makes uses the external libraries like font awesome icons, flat picker for the date picking, and leaflet for the maps. The JavaScript code fetches the data from API dynamically, updates the statistics in the dashboard, and handles the instructions like toggles in the view between grid and list format. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy exploring this website.